everyone, if you're a homeowner thinking about renovations, this video is for you. Hiring a contractor can feel like a gamble, but I'm here with tips on how to find a good one, work together smoothly, and avoid major headaches. Your friends, neighbors, even your realtor. Ask around for names of good contractors they've used. Online reviews are helpful too, but don't panic about a few bad ones. Look for bigger patterns. Are people saying the same negative things? Make sure your contractor is licensed, bonded, and insured. Double check those licenses with the licensing board. Protect yourself. Talk to at least 3 contractors. Get detailed written estimates. It's tempting to go with the cheapest. But remember, you're paying for their expertise too. Pictures, sketches, paint samples, show them exactly what you want. The clearer you are up front, the fewer surprises later. Talk about when the project might start, how long it should take, and what could cause delays. No one can predict everything, but having a plan goes a long way. This isn't about being distrustful, it's about protecting everyone. Make sure it lays out what they'll do, materials, costs, how payments work, all the boring but important stuff. Don't be a stranger on your own project. Ask for updates, pop by to take a look. Catching problems early is key. Look, sometimes you want to change things mid-project. It happens. But get the new cost and plan in writing to avoid surprise bills at the end. Stick to the payment schedule you agreed on. Hold that final payment until the job is done right. Good contractors are in demand. They don't need to strong-arm you. Big down payments are also a red flag. Calls not getting returned, vague about progress. These are all bad signs. We're not talking a nail hole. I mean major problems, safety issues, bad materials. If it looks wrong, speak up. Remember, be patient. Projects rarely go perfectly. But by being prepared and communicating well, you've got a much better shot at loving the end result. Got a funny contractor story? Terrible experience? Share it in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more homeowner tips.